Good morning. This is Photoshop, and we're gonna just do some basic manipulations here to introduce ourselves to the collage. So I have two images. Here's a picture, interior picture of a hotel I took this summer for architecture, and this is a photo I took of our daughter's ceramic piece. So I'm going to cut this out and just place it in here for a start of a collage. I mean, here's artwork, so we'll make this artwork. We could put it right here. Now there are two ways of going about this. First off, we want to have two pictures up. So this is my background, and this is an image I'm going to add here. So one thing I can do is go to the Move tool and move this image over. And at times when things say OK in Photoshop, just say OK. Now this image is too big because the resolution is bigger on this image than it is here. So I'm going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. I'm going to hold the Shift key, whether I'm on a Mac or Windows, and go diagonal. And what this does is it keeps it in proportion. If I didn't hold the Shift key, it would either get real tall and thin, or distorted wider than it should be. So we can make it any size we want. So I'm holding the Shift key. So I'm just going to put it right here. And now I hit the Move tool again, and I hit Apply. And I'm going to take the Move tool and put it here. So over here in the Layers palette, that's layer 1, and the background layer is right there. I'm going to go on layer 1, which again is the base. I'm going to come down here and make a mask. This is all in the other tutorial. Down here next to the FX, I made a mask. I'm going to stay on the mask, and you can see it's highlighted. And now I'm going to go black and white over here, and I'm going to go to the gradient tool, and what I can do is I can pull down and start to dissolve the background. So it starts to look like it belongs there. Now that's part of it. I could also now take the eraser tool, and if I keep it on 100 opacity, also on the keyboard next to the letter P, if you use the brackets, you can make it bigger or smaller. And I can start, well, that's wrong. I'm going to hit Control Z. I need to get off of the mask and go to the image. And you can see now I'm getting rid of the background. It's a pretty good start. Over here you can play with the different modes. Multiply, it disappears. Soft light, what you see is what you get, so you can try it. So I would start with that. The second attempt is to take the vase and to do the quick selection tool, and we'll do that another time. Alright.